Okay, so everyone, today we're going to make an unboxing video. I'm actually quite excited. Inside this package or box is supposed to be uh, benchtop shear. I got this from Lazada. We paid for 3,650 pesos, inclusive of shipping. Okay, it's quite heavy. And voila, there it is. That's actually nice. I'm quite happy. This is 300mm blade. We're going to measure that in a while. So imagine that, okay? 3,650 pesos, inclusive of shipping. And you have this item, okay? Initially, I figured I wanted to make one, but just the blade alone is gonna cost me north of 2,000 pesos, more than half the price of this actual item. So I figured if I'm going to buy steel, anything like that, even if I'm going to buy that at the junk shop, building one for my own is gonna cost more. And this is only 3,650 pesos. So in dollars, this more or less about $60. Imagine that. This solid, I do believe, cast iron handle supposed to go here. Okay. So let us put on the handle. Okay. I do believe it goes like that. Maybe it's nice if there's a washer here, but let's see. Let's try this first. Okay, I'm not gonna tighten that down. Okay, let's just leave it like that. Okay, it's nice. Do believe the only downside with this is that you need to hold on. Okay, like unlike other models that I've seen with a manual benchtop shear, okay, is that they incorporated a spring. This one, there's no spring, so you need to manually lift it up, but I don't mind. So let me show you a much more closer look. Okay, that's how it's welded. Do believe this. Hold on, we're going to take measurements in a while. Okay, it's got some minor corrosions on this blade. Do believe I'm going to take care of that. Take everything apart, clean that up before it's going to uh, make more damage. Do believe this is meant to adjust this blade. Okay, let's take measurements. Okay, so let's measure here. Blade is about 10 mm. This base is about 10 mm also. This one is about 12 millimeter. The top blade is much more thinner. To believe more or less 8 millimeter. Okay, overall length of the shear is almost 12 feet. I mean 12 feet, 12 inches. Okay, 1 feet. Okay, so you see that 11.2. Okay, just amazed. Okay, for 3,650 pesos, more or less $60, you can already have this. Just amazed. So let's do some testing. Okay, so first let's see how sharp the blade is. It's sharp. Okay, did not cut right here, but the rest of the way it did. Maybe just needs adjustment. You see, it's okay. So right about there, maybe it just needs adjustment, but it's sharp. As you can see, no problem. I would just like to point out the base. Do believe receive damage when shipping, but it's not considerable. You can just hammer that back into place. Very nice. Okay, so let's try cutting some pieces of main sheet. This is zero point 0.5 millimeter. Not exactly sure as to what that measures to when it comes to okay gauge. Okay, now I'm just using this without the handle because supposedly you need to insert a a tube or a pipe so that you get more leverage, but with this alone, okay, did not cut there, but maybe just needs some adjustment. Okay, but as you can see, okay, again, let's see if we can adjust it from behind. Okay, this one. Okay, lock nut. We're gonna bring this in. That's gonna push the blade out. Okay, so I'm gonna adjust that some more. Let's see. Okay, little bit more. Bring in the lock nut. Okay, and let's try to do that again. Okay, so let's try that again. Okay, see, very nice. Very nice. Nice, clean, straight cut. Okay, should be bolted down. So anyway, I just clamped it down temporarily. Let's try again. Okay, so I just removed the edge here. That way we could make a much more easier, perfect cut. I use this now. Just by comparison, I paid for 700 pesos for this. Okay, so this is about 11 $12. I paid for, like I said, 3,650 pesos, roughly about $60 for this. Okay, you just add about $50 more, and you get this. Just couldn't help myself. Okay, I'm sorry. Just astonished with the price. Okay, again, let's cut. Okay, very nice, very nice. See, nice clean cut, 1 millimeter. So I do believe I ran out of plain sheet, but let's give this a try. This is about 3 millimeters. Okay, let's just try. Let's see. Hold on. Okay, so for that one, I'm gonna use a pipe. Let's see if ah, okay, that was able to cut it. If we have a much more sturdier bench, okay. So here's the cut. Hold on, focus. So I don't recommend that. Okay, actually, I don't have any intention of using that to cut material that thick. Okay, I only intend to cut at least plain sheet of metal, maybe at the most 1 millimeter or 1.5 millimeter thick. But I just did that to show you. Okay, but it was able to do that, and what I want to do again is let's try again cutting a piece of paper and let's see if it was able to hold its edge. And as far as I'm concerned, okay, it did. You see, very nice, stream, clean cut. So we've got, as far as I'm concerned, a good enough blade. Okay, so anyway, this second hole actually is for you to be able to flip the blade. Say, for example, should this edge become dull, you have a new fresh edge on this side. Just flip it around, and that's that. And I also added a second adjustment screw here. Okay, I'll show you. With that adjustment screw earlier, as you have seen, it was not able to cut cleanly somewhere here. Now it's able to do that with no problems. Okay, here, and right on this edge. See? So, and I also intend to attach this. Okay, maybe find a way to just bolt it. I don't want to weld it. Okay, cut it to size and make it look something like this. I do believe this is a paper guillotine. Okay, obviously, and that way it's much more easier to work it. Use a vice grip or maybe even use this. Okay, make much more precise, accurate cuts. So anyway, I do believe that's it. That's all that there is to show. Now, before I end this video, I would just like to inform everyone that I'm not actually advertising for this product. Okay, I'm not entirely even sure that this product's got a name. I mean, obviously, if I'm not mistaken, the technical term for this thing is a manual bench top metal shear, but pertaining about the exact brand. But it's got initials here, FY. And anyway, like I've said, I'm not advertising for this product, nor am I associated or affiliated with any online shopping platform that sells this item. I bought this with my own money and for my own benefit because I do intend to use this soon. Okay, maybe I'll upload a video of that project too. So I'll end this video here. I hope you like it. If you do, let me know in the comments below. Like, share, and subscribe if you want to. Only if you want to. And as always, thank you for watching.